How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be an update on my three-way buddy build. And before we get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. This little redneck from Arkansas will never charge you a dime. I do not do PayPal or whatever, that Patreon, whatever all that stuff is. I don't do none of it. I don't do what do you call it, endorsements or anything like that, guys. I don't do none of that. All I ask is if I mention anybody in this video, the link will be in the description. Go give them a sub, a like, share, whatever, you know, the whole 9 yards. Check them out. Everybody in this community is awesome. All right, before we get this video started too, I got a shop card shout out here. And all right, the small scale group build. I was supposed to do a video of everybody's pictures, you know, and stuff. That video is not going to happen, guys. As y'all know, I ain't been on here for a while anyway. I ain't had time for crap, but my last phone give out on me. It just totally quit, and I'm just now getting some of people's numbers back that I had before, because I lost all contacts. I lost everything. So guys, I had that video made and it was on that phone and I lost it all. And guys, I'm sorry, but I do not want to try to make it all over again and get everybody's pictures again. Sorry, but I will still do the giveaway. I'll scrounge up some models here. You know, I got plenty, and I'll do a giveaway for anybody that entered that small scale group build, guys. I just hadn't had time, and I'll get to it. I promise you, I'm a man of my word. I'll do it. But so let's get this started. I got a shop card shout out real quick, and Larry, I got your shop card in the mail. I'm sorry, I've been busy. My poor wife over here has been working me to death, guys. She had me doing some pressure washing and stuff today. She's trying to kill me. But right here, Model Car Madness, guys. This dude right here, he's an awesome builder, and he did a heck of a small scale group build for me. Thank you for the kind words, Larry, and get over there and check him out. There's his shop card. His information's right there, and he will be in the link in the description below. And thank you, buddy. Thank you for the kind words. Appreciate it, and I'll have your shop card in the mail, brother. Okay, and this video, y'all remember doing the big 12 scale Camaros. Brian from Buster's Customs and Robert from RB Model Works. We're doing these right here, and everybody's doing, you know, their own versions. Yeah, so just get over there, and the links will be below, and y'all go check what they've gotten done so far. And what I'm building is I'm just building a street machine out of mine. Robert, he's doing the Bill Jenkins Grumpy's Toy 69 Camaro, and I mean, that was Robert, I'm sorry. And Brian, he's doing another street machine, and he got a beautiful paint job on. Oh my God, y'all see that beautiful paint job on his. And I'm going to shut my mouth and get over here and let you guys see what's going on. All right, guys, you can see right here, I've been working just a little at a time. You know, working third shift. I'm not had time for nothing, guys, but I've been trying to, when I just got 5 minutes out of the day, 10 minutes out of the day, I come out here and work. I haven't made videos, and man, it's probably been a month or so, hasn't it, Marilyn? It's been a while, guys. I'm sorry if I haven't made no videos. I'm still around. I comment when I can on everybody's videos, but I'm still here. I just hadn't had time. All right, let's get this thing showing you what's going on. All right. You can see I've got the carpet in it. I got the big old tack on it. I wood grained the steering wheel. It's got the what is that? Is that a, what shifter is that? I can't see right there. I can't remember what that shifter is right there, guys. You can see right there the camera focus. That was 3D printed. Robert Bishop 3D printed me that. Oh, he 3D printed that tack for me. I even got the tack, got little wires going out of it. don't know if you can see it very good or not. Set that over to the side. And then he also 3D printed me these wheels. I used that Revell chrome on the hubcaps. Painted the wheels the same color as the car. Did the little gel pen on the BF Good wrenches. You can see right there, guys. Awesome tread pattern. That's the big and littles right here. You can see right here. There's your front wheels. Man, Robert did an awesome job, guys. And I think he's even going to be selling these too. So he'll have a link in the description below. And then here is my engine. I don't know if you're going to see that just the best or not. I've got it all wired up. I don't know if you can see that. My camera's not the best, guys. It's on my phone here. Here's the radiator. Here's underneath. I got the white headers because I like white headers. I think that's old school looking. Orange engine block, of course. I did the red oxide primer with the overspray. See that right there? The gas tank, the little mufflers on it or whatever and everything. Your front suspension. Disc brakes in the front. Let's throw that out of the way and get to the meat and taters. Alright, guys, I did a polish on it. Now I'm not doing no showroom polish. I just did a 3-stage polish on it and a wax. I'm not going crazy and just polish. That's not me. I'm not going to do it. But this thing's so big, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get it in the camera for you to let you see what's going on here. Right there, and there's the inside there. What's that called? Firewall. But yeah, just a little press in. It's got a chrome strip that's got to go right here. You can see I got a black wash in it. You know, I got the little scripts on it right there. The Z28. You can see right there. I'll get this around here so you can see the back. Trying to keep my wiener fingers off of it so much. Right there, guys. Alright. Oh, here's the hood. Cow induction hood. Let's put that bad boy on there. Put a wheel up underneath it. You can see. Man, that's going to be amazing, guys. It's going to be amazing. There you go, guys. That's it. That's all I've gotten done so far. Next video it will be assembled, but I'm not going to put a final video out until I will not do a final video until everybody else is getting done with theirs, and we'll do them all at the same time. Next video will probably be a giveaway and some goodies I've gotten. And yeah, my bench, look at this. My bench is an absolute mess, guys. Don't matter how big your shop is. Well, for me, whether I was in a small shop or big shop, I guess I'm just a slob. All right, guys. Love y'all. See ya.